Okay, today we're going to be figuring out the area of a non-isosceles trapezoid. And our problem is, what is the area of a non-isosceles trapezoid whose height is 6 centimeters and the bases are 14 centimeters and 10 centimeters? So when finding the area of a shape, you have to always multiply the base and the height of the shape. When finding the area of a non-isosceles trapezoid, you have to add two bases together and multiply the sum of your bases by the height. This would be similar to finding the area of a rectangle or any other quadrilateral. The trapezoid formula requires that you divide your product in half to get your final answer of the area of a non-isosceles trapezoid.
Okay, so we have our non-isosceles trapezoid right here, and we're going to go ahead and label the different parts. So first we're going to label the height, which we're going to go ahead and get a line, and we're going to put a line through right here, and that would be considered our height, and right there it tells us our height, which is 6 centimeters, so we're going to go ahead and label it 6 centimeters, and we're going to make it smaller. And then we have two bases, so we have 14 centimeters, which will be this longer side right here, so 14 centimeters. And then our other one, which is 10 centimeters, and we will put that up here at the top. After that, we will look at the formula that we're going to use to find the area of this trapezoid. And the formula that you'll always use for non-isosceles trapezoid or any type of trapezoid is you do area equals 1/2 of base 1, which is our 14 centimeters right here, plus our base 2, which is the 10 centimeters, multiplied by the height, which is 6 centimeters. So now we're going to go down one. Our area equals 1/2, and the 1/2 stays the same because that's already a given. Our first base would be 14 centimeters, so we're going to plug that in right there. We're going to add that to our second base, which is 10 centimeters. And then our height, which it gives us right here, is 6 centimeters. And remember, if you look at the word problem, it tells you that the height is 6 centimeters and the bases are 14 and 10. So then you just plug all that in. Then we're going to go down and we're going to do equals 1/2. And we're going to add these two first. So 14 plus 10 is 24 centimeters. And then we're going to keep the 6 centimeters. So next, we're going to do the same thing, 1/2, and you're going to multiply the 24 times 6, which comes out to be 144. So next, we are going to multiply, or to make it a little bit easier on us, we're going to do 1/2 times 144 over 1, so that we're multiplying two fractions. And then, so we're going to do, that comes out to be 144 over 2. So then we're going to go ahead and divide that to find our overall answer. So we're going to do our little division thing. And we're going to do 144 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 14 7 times. And so that would put us at 14 down here. And then that would, let me just draw it. That would be 0. Then we bring the 4 down, put our 4 right there. And whenever we do 2 times 4, that would be 2. So then the answer would be 72. So the area of our non-isosceles trapezoid would be 72 centimeters squared. So you would do squared because the areas are always squared. So that's how you do that.